Hi, today I'm part of new Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to connections section. Here you will see NFC and the contactless payments. Just to turn on or turn off the NFC we should use this switcher. Also you can just turn it on or turn it off from here. This is tutorial how you can use the NFC. If you want to change the contactless payments, just click here, and if you got more applications than the Google Pay, you can change it. So also we got one more way how we can use the NFC. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here now we should add the NFC icon. Just place to this plus icon. In on the subsection you should find the NFC. Just hold the icon and drag it to your panel. Click to done to save the changes, and now here on the notification panel we got the NFC icon and we can turn on and turn off the NFC option from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.